So if you haven't already, before you watch this video and see how long I have fasted for today, go to either the community tab if you're on your phone or the post tab if you're on your computer to go and vote to see, well, not to see, to basically vote on how long you think I'm gonna fast. It's just something fun to do to see how long I can do, and it's motivational for me. So go ahead and vote before you watch the rest of this video. Thanks for voting. What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. So today was a working day for me. I gotta get good at this. So I started recording, well, let's go to the intro and then I'll get into it. All right, so you guys know that I'm gonna be trying to record daily, and this should be interesting because where I work, we now have to start going back into the office 2 days a week. So, you know, getting back into the swing of having to go in the office is not great at all, as far as like getting up and all of that good stuff. It's not great for me. I don't like it. I don't see why I gotta do it. I do the same thing I do at work, at home. There is no difference. The powers that be made this happen. So I still wanna check, so I go in. I don't know if anybody else out there is experiencing this. I'm sure everybody had some form of this going on, you know, after COVID, but we're just now starting to go back in. So I guess I should be grateful and thankful of that. But let's get into why you guys are really here. It is day 2 of my journey of being back on the wagon. I feel good, guys. I started to record on my phone while I was at work. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that because it just was hard. Like, I know it shouldn't be, and it was just weird kind of holding it, and I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna take, if you guys don't know, I use a GoPro to film. So I think I'm just gonna take the GoPro with me to work, and that's how I'll end up filming when I have to go into the office. It's just easier. I don't have to worry about my phone being connected to my Bluetooth in the car. Like, it was just weird. So I had some stuff taped while I was at work, but I'm not gonna be able to show it because it's on my phone. So basically woke up. I leave out of the house at like real early in the morning, before 6, you know, because my job is like a good little bit away. But before I do anything, I get up, I weigh myself. So this morning, I'm gonna give you a total. I weighed in at 278.9 with a 51.9% body fat. Now, if you didn't see day 1, go back and look at it. But if you did and you just don't remember how much I weighed, which you probably wouldn't, I weighed in at 283 even, with a 51.9% body fat. So that is some poundage loss, guys. I can't even believe it, right? So that's a good amount of weight lost in just a day. And I'm on day 2, so I can't wait to weigh in tomorrow to see what it's down to. Of course, I had to call my wife and let her know that I, you know, weighed in a little less this morning. And it's funny because I had to go into work today. She did not, because she moved our daughter into a new place today, and I was like, don't forget to take your snacks this morning, you know, so you can eat, because she's not fasting. So, but this is the thing, she knows that fasting works, but she doesn't like to commit to it and say that she's doing it, if that makes sense. So she'll be like, yeah, I'm not gonna eat until 12, but I'm not fasting. And I'm like, oh, okay, you're not fasting. Sure, I hear what you're saying, sure. So I was rubbing it in, calling and rubbing it in, and then I kept calling her, like, not kept calling her, but I called her every now and then throughout the day, saying, did you make sure you ate lunch and are eating your snacks? It's a fun little game we play with each other. Oh, here's my brother coming in. He's semi-fast, but I'm gonna pause because I know he's gonna want to talk to me. Okay, so I'm done talking to my brother now. So, okay, I think I was on weight, and yes, so 283 down to 278.8, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and take you into my fasting time right now, which is 47 hours and 34 minutes, and we're still going. So I'm doing pretty good, halfway there almost, and I'm feeling good. I'm not hungry at all. I am not feeling any type of way. I don't have any headaches. I don't have any cravings or anything like that. So I'm doing pretty good. The workout, like I said, was good, which was great. I got on the elliptical today, and I was a little nervous because I haven't been doing this is a funny thing. So during my PT, like the exit PT before I went to go see my actual doctor, they give you a questionnaire, and one of the questions for the questionnaire was like something about running. And I think I put a little note by and was like, I haven't even thought about running since the incident. Like, no, like I'm just starting to walk and feel comfortable walking and doing all of that type of stuff. So no, running is a no for me. So I was a little nervous about the elliptical today, but I did good. I only did 12 minutes. I didn't get to a mile, so I am a lot slower than I would normally be, because I could normally get to a mile within 10 minutes on an elliptical. So it's something, you know, that I need to work on. I'm trying not to push the knee as hard as, you know, I possibly could, because I don't want anything to happen and then I'm out again. So I am being cautious, but still getting stuff done with it, and it feels good. I'll probably ice it tonight so that it, you know, any type of swelling that may be in it, because I can't really tell if it's swollen, but sometimes it does hurt a little bit. So I'll just throw a little bit of ice on it at night, try to take some of the swelling down if it has any in it, because it holds so much fluid now, and the doctor was like, you know, it's not enough fluid for me to drain it, so I gotta live with the fluid in there. So I can't tell if it's swollen for real because of the fluid. So I just ice it at night. Well, I say that like I've been doing it, but I just ice it at night now that I am working out and everything too. So that's pretty much it for the workout. That's pretty much it for the weigh. That's pretty much it for the actual fasting piece of it. And I think that's everything for today. I gotta do it all over again on tomorrow, including the going into work, because they are giving me new furniture in my office, and I just got a chair from our Ergo department, and I don't want to lose this chair. I don't want them to take the chair, so I'm going in to make sure that they do not take my chair, and to see how they're going to set everything up. So I will be going in tomorrow, as well as hitting the gym right after. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are out there doing good. I hope your fasting is going well today. Today was a good day for me. I hope it was a good day for you as well. Now I gotta go in the house and cut this video up so you guys can see it. I am doing good with this. It's only day 2, but I am doing great. Anyway, guys, you know how I end my videos. Oh, before I end the video, let me know if you guys want any type of challenges for next month. I know that somebody mentioned a challenge for 48-hour fast, that they're doing it next month, but I was like, ooh, I could make that into a challenge. So if you guys have any challenges you want me to participate in, just let me know. If nobody else suggests a challenge, then I'll probably end up doing that one, which will be fasting for 48 hours during that month. I think we can do it. So just let me know. I'm gonna end the video now. I will catch you guys in day 3. And like I always say, guys, you already know, you can repeat it with me if you want to. But listen, if I can do this, you can for sure. and I will check you in the next video.